Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas coming to you today. Today is February the 16th, Thursday. So, few ideas today. First of all, be careful. Spies are gapping down. You can see the print right now is at 409.12. So, looks like we may want to come down here and even test this 20-period moving average, which we've been holding for several weeks now. So, keep an eye on that. What I like to do on days like today is maybe focus on some of these earnings plays. Let's start out with Cisco holding up in pre-market. Okay, so as the spies continue to drop in pre-market, this one is holding steady around this $50 range. So I'll be watching that one. Good earnings, pays a dividend, could be a nice little swing trade for you. Roku is another one on the board that's holding up okay. I would watch it and see if it first 30 minutes, if it can stay above this 200-day moving average, that could be a good one. A couple of ones that didn't have earnings that are looking like they may want to break out, but I'm always skeptical of breakouts in this kind of environment. Eight, okay, had earnings the other day. You can see this nice run. It's been kind of sloppily going sideways, but a break above the 650 level could be interesting. And last but not least, GGAL. GGAL once again got this double top. It takes out this 1432 level. Keep an eye on that. But be careful. This is the market that a lot of breakouts have been failing. So this one is a little bit different story because it has been beaten up, in the longer term time frame. But anyway, all right, guys, those are for some ideas for you. Have a great day. Good luck. Bye bye.